Preserving harmony in the Hungarian countryside, a masterpiece of modern architecture emerges like a mysterious and enchanting whisper. It is not just a home, but rather a statement, a sanctuary, and a harmony that resonates among the leaves. Imagine a house that seems to be playing hide and seek, partially submerged in the mound but peeking at the horizon. The green roof, a canvas of nature's creation, is not just decoration, it blends and breathes with the surrounding landscape. A 135 square meter terrace stretches along the water's edge, making the wooden floor a great place to enjoy the sunrise and sunset. Two spaces are offered, each with a living room, comfortable bedroom, elegant kitchen, and luxurious minimalist design bathroom. The additional living room provides calm for visitors to forget the stress of everyday life. A cozy roofed summer kitchen connects the spaces, with a stove like a shark's fin slicing through the air, an artistic sentinel protecting this den. Let's talk about materials. Cross-laminated timber, CLT, forms the backbone and soul of the structure, while the surface of the wooden facade is treated with the yakizuchi method, an ancient technique that produces the beauty of charcoal, ensuring the house is sturdy throughout the ages. Hello Wood's attention to detail is visible in every detail. Concrete cast with wood residue displays a blocky texture. Large glass windows and doors open wide to the outside world, bringing in light and life. This is not just a building, but a work of art, the embodiment of Hello Wood's love for architecture, nature, and innovation. Here, memories will be made and the serenity will feel as real as the grain of wood beneath your fingers. Only the fish in the pond are silent witnesses, and the stars are the roof of your night. Here, architecture not only meets nature, but unites with it, in an embrace as old as time. important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.